Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Disney 75th anniversary animated Mickey Mouse lamp. And this is Ryan's equipment from California. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool, rare Mickey Mouse animated lamp. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with Mickey. Now Mickey does not work, and Ryan took this Mickey lamp to a lamp company that basically told Ryan that it was a throwaway unit, and somehow the socket cover, which screws on and protects you from being able to touch the bulb socket, came up missing. Probably was left at this lamp company. And so that's how Mickey ended up at our location. So we want to locate that part for Ryan, and we'll take care of that issue. We also want to troubleshoot the main PC boards and make our repairs. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool 75th anniversary Disney animated Mickey Mouse lamp. And we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that we did locate a sleeve for the bulb socket, so that issue was taken care of. Now, we also want to mention that there is a main power switch at the back of the base of Mickey, and you always want to have that power switch in the off position when plugging in or unplugging the electrical cord to the electrical outlet. Now we have Mickey plugged into the electrical outlet, and we want to go ahead and turn our main switch on.
What a bright idea!
And Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. And you don't want to turn this type of an electronic lamp on and off too quick. It's not good for the circuitry. It's a little delicate. And so we'll just wait a second and we'll go ahead and turn Mickey off.
Lights out!
We'll give that a second. Turn Mickey back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We can turn Mickey off.
So on, pal.
We'll turn Mickey back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll turn the unit off.
See you real soon.
And we'll turn Mickey on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool 75th anniversary Mickey Mouse animated lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit to Ryan, and they can enjoy this lamp once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.